Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today, we have something truly exciting to showcase, the *2026 Mitsubishi Triton *. This tough and stylish pickup is designed to take on any challenge while delivering outstanding comfort, technology, and performance. So, whether you're looking for an off-road powerhouse or a reliable workhorse, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton is a vehicle you definitely want to get familiar with. Let's dive in and take a closer look at its exterior, interior and performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton maintains its iconic muscular stance. The front of this truck is commanding, featuring a bold dynamic shield grille design that merges seamlessly with sharp LED headlights, giving it a modern and aggressive look. The bold chrome accents around the grille add to the Triton's premium appeal while maintaining its rugged, utilitarian charm. The new hood lines are more pronounced, adding a sense of power and movement, while the wide wheel arches give it a more robust and stable presence on the road. These features, combined with a set of large alloy wheels, give the Triton a confident, go-anywhere attitude. It's a truck that not only dominates on rough terrains but also stands out in any environment. As we move along the side profile, the Triton is designed for optimal utility. The pickup bed has been enhanced to offer even more cargo space, perfect for carrying large loads, whether it's for work or weekend adventures. The integrated side steps make it easier to climb in and out of the truck, and the overall body design has been crafted to offer both aerodynamic efficiency and a tough, masculine look. Moving to the back, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton continues its rugged appeal with a redesigned tailgate that features sleek lines and LED taillights *. The tailgate is sturdy and has a smooth opening mechanism for easy access to the cargo area. Whether you're loading tools, equipment, or other gear, you can be confident that the Triton's bed is ready for any challenge. There's also an option for A-spray and bed liner, which provides extra protection against wear and tear, making it perfect for rough handling. The dual exhaust outlets add a sporty finish to the back of the truck, and the rear bumper is designed for durability, making it ready for those tough jobs. Overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton is the perfect blend of style and functionality, built to tackle the toughest terrains while maintaining a modern, aggressive look. Now, let's head inside the cabin, where comfort and innovation come together. The interior of the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton has been completely revamped, offering a premium experience while keeping the rugged feel of the vehicle. The dashboard has a modern layout, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless connectivity. This means you can access navigation, music, and calls with ease, ensuring you stay connected no matter where your adventure takes you. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft touch leather, providing a comfortable grip, while the driver's seat features power adjustments and lumbar support, making long drives much more comfortable. Whether you're on the job or on the road for a weekend trip, the Triton's interior ensures that you're always in control and at ease. The center console has been thoughtfully designed with ample storage, making it easy to stow away your personal items while keeping everything within reach. The climate control system is easy to operate, and the premium sound system ensures that your favorite tunes sound great as you cruise along. As for the rear seats, there's more than enough space for passengers to feel comfortable, even on long journeys. The rear air vents ensure that everyone stays cool or warm depending on the weather, and the seats are designed for maximum comfort with quality materials that can withstand the demands of both urban and off-road adventures. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton is all about power, durability, and versatility. Under the hood, it comes with a range of engine options, including a 2.4L turbocharged diesel engine that delivers exceptional power and torque, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks and off-road driving. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission or manual option, it offers smooth and responsive performance on any terrain. The 4WD system on the Triton is top-notch, featuring Super Select 2, which gives you excellent control over the wheels in challenging conditions, whether you're driving on snow, mud, or rocky paths. This system makes the Triton incredibly capable off-road, giving you the confidence to take on the most demanding landscapes. Additionally, the suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces, combining comfort with the rugged capabilities needed for work and play. The 2026 Mitsubishi Triton is a luxury pickup that doesn't compromise on performance or practicality. Whether you're tackling challenging terrains or cruising through the city, this is a truck that delivers in every aspect: comfort, design, and power. With its bold looks, refined interior, and remarkable capabilities, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton is ready to take on anything you throw at it. Thank you for joining us for today's deep dive into the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton *. If you like the video, make sure to like, share *, and subscribe to Dream Cars for more exclusive looks at the latest vehicles. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Until next time, keep dreaming, and stay driven. Thank you for watching. Enjoy time.